This video is an overview of how to set up the VPS Rhythm DLX device on the VPS Rhythm cart with all the available cart accessories. The VPS Rhythm DLX device consists of a display unit and wired accessories that attach to the back of the monitor. To facilitate cart management, Teleflex supplies two cart accessory kits: the DLX 200 arm, which contains a metal arm, flush mount, extra VESA mount accessories, and other components. The DLX 200 TGR contains the holders for the T-piece, the remote control, and the ultrasound gel. If you have just received the RHY 100 Cart A as well, there may be some duplicated items. This is intentional. The tools you will need are a number 2 Phillips screwdriver, a 1/4 inch Allen wrench for the top plate, and a 1/8 inch Allen wrench for the flush mounts included in the DLX 200 arm accessory kit. The ultrasound probe DLX 200 USP includes a probe holder that can be mounted on the side of the monitor itself or on the DLX 200 arm. If that holder needs to be replaced, it can be purchased separately as DLX 200 USH. Here is a brief list of the product codes covered in this video. If you need assistance, please contact your Teleflex representative or the VPS technical support team for guidance. Let's start with the configuration of RHY 100 Cart A for VPS Rhythm DLX device. First, the top plate on the post needs to be removed, and any existing flush mounts or other hardware that may be in the way should be slid off. Next, slide one of the channel mount plates down the rear track of the post. To secure it to the cart, tighten the screws in the mount using the Allen wrench. Using the Phillips screwdriver, screw the 4 screws to attach the T-piece holder from DLX 200 TGR to the mount. Now, add the arm to the front of the cart. Slide the other channel mount plate down the front track of the post and secure using the screws in the mount. Attach the arm to the mount. The arm can be mounted with a right or left orientation, depending on preference. Attach the ultrasound probe, remote, and ultrasound gel holders to the arm with the screws provided, based on the preference of your clinical team. Note, the ultrasound probe holder can be mounted either on the arm or on the side of the monitor itself. Reattach the flush mount in preparation for attaching the monitor itself. Then, replace the top plate and secure using the Allen wrench. The VPS Rhythm DLX device monitor has a 100 by 100 mm spacing VESA configuration. The cart flush mount is 75 by 75 mm. A 75 to 100 mm VESA adapter plate is included with both the RHY 100 Cart A and the DLX 200 arm. Attach the adapter plate to the back of the VPS Rhythm DLX device monitor using the 4 M4 by 0.7 6 mm screws. Do not over-tighten as you may damage the monitor. Using the 4 M4 by 0.7 8 mm screws, insert the top 2 screws into the inner VESA adapter plate holes, but leave room for the cart mount thickness. Hold the monitor up to the flush mount on the cart and hang the unit into the top slots of the flush mount. Tighten screws to secure the monitor. Finally, add and tighten the bottom screws. Now, we can attach the remote control, the T-piece, and the ultrasound probe to the back of the monitor and place each in its holder. The power supply also connects to the back of the monitor, and the power cord plugs into the power supply. Now, the VPS Rhythm DLX device equipment is ready for the next steps in the product setup, such as setting up the optional printer and creating system passwords, as detailed in the operator's manual. If you have any questions, please contact your Teleflex representative or the VPS technical support team.